What's good, world? It's your boy 26 King Wavy, and I am back with another one. You are now tuned into the great. That ain't my damn intro. Hold on. What's good, world? I am 26 King Wavy, and this is the greatest show on earth. And I got another one for you. As you already know from my previous video, don't judge me about my appearance with the whole, you know, I'm supposed to be all shaped up and stuff. As you already know, Rona out there. You know what I'm saying? They knocking folks off. The barbers, they not open right now. And those that are doing house visits, you know, they charging out the ass. I'm left with this, but it's a good thing for me to promote my new product, this hair growth oil. Now this hair growth oil is for all my ladies out there with no edges. Come on, baby girl, I'm talking to you. Yeah, that's why he tagged you in this video. He said you ain't got no edges.
I just got a pony, that's all.
You know what I'm saying? And if you want to tell your homegirl or your friend without being offensive, be like, girl, just check out this video. You know what I'm saying? Or tell your girl like, hey, look at dude, like I like what he got going on. Like I like the little hair growth oil. You know what I'm saying? You kind of throw it out there, but you know do it subliminal. Fellas, if you out there like your boy, you got the struggle beard. You know what I'm saying? For those that are over 25, I ain't gonna get my age. Those that's over 25, you know what I'm saying? You looking to get that looking like a grown man instead of a little boy out here. This for us. I did this for us, for me and you. We are struggling, and it shows. But good news, you know what I'm saying? I might be on to something. It's all about genes, genetics. You know what I'm saying? Your pops, my pops, he got a full-grown beard. You know what I'm saying? My brothers, we all struggling, except for one. But for the most part, our stuff is looking crazy, son. But I've been using this on my face so far, so I'm gonna show y'all some results. So a little history about my face. When my hair was growing, it grew in and it stopped kind of up here. My hair never dropped down to my jawline. You know what I'm saying? So now the hair, it kind of drops all the way down. This, everywhere where I put it at, it's been growing, except for this spot here. And over here, I got like a little gap, but here, you probably can't see it in the camera, but I can run my finger and I can feel like, you know, hair struggling to come through, but it's connecting for the most part. So all this year, I'm gonna continue to use the hair growth oil. Hopefully I get something going on. I get the Philly. If you from Philly, you know what I'm saying? Philly makes some noise, cause y'all beards be looking crazy. This shit be looking good too, man. I'm trying to get one, no homo, no homo. But I'm trying to get my joint looking right too. You haven't already done so, you already know what to do. Log on to 26kingwavymerch.com, cop your merch. Bam! I got velvet Durags, got them in black. I got the shirts. The shirts ain't on the website, but if you know what I'm saying, you want to buy one, just DM me. Also, I can't stress this enough. If you got my products, please tag me, man. Take a picture of it. Send me the DM so I can post you. I'm giving 26% off all natural hair care products. That means the pomade, the moisturizer, and the hair growth oil. Only thing you gotta do is go to the site, leave a product review. When you purchase something, we do the honor thing. So hopefully you purchase something, you drop me a nice little product review, good, bad, and different. You know what I'm saying? Just drop your boy a product review. Screenshot it, DM me, and follow me on IG, and I will personalize a 26% off discount code geared towards you, and it's going to be one time, and it's only for you. Thank you for tuning in. It's your boy 26 King Wavy, and I'm out.